Hi, my name is Rupa. We have learned the dismantling of diesel engines and inspection of engine components and reassembling of the engine block and the engine head. Now I am going to demonstrate the complete engine accessories reassembly.
At the end of this demonstration, you will be able to reassemble engine, tools, equipments and materials required, spanner set, gasket kit as needed, engine oil can, soft cloth. Obtain an engine to be used in this job. Gather the tools needed to perform the following tasks. Refer to the tools and materials list for this project. Install the intake manifold. Install the intake manifold gaskets. Place the intake manifold in position on the engine. Install all intake manifold fasteners hand-tight. Determine whether there is a tightening sequence for the intake manifold bolts. Tighten the intake manifold bolts in the prescribed sequence to 1/2 of their full torque specification. Tighten the intake manifold bolts to 3/4 of the full torque specification. Torque the intake manifold bolts to their full specification following the correct sequence. Following the tightening sequence, recheck each manifold fastener to ensure that all are at full torque. Install the exhaust manifold. Position the exhaust manifolds on the head using gaskets where applicable. Start all of the exhaust manifold fasteners by hand. Tighten the bolts in the proper torque specification, beginning at the center and alternating outward. Complete the engine reassembly. Replace the coolant pump and place the coolant pump on the block or timing cover as applicable. Install the AC generator. Water pump or generator drive belt tension inspection and adjustment. Inspect the belt for cracks, cuts, deformation, wear and cleanliness. If it is necessary to replace belt, check the belt for tension. The belt is in proper tension when it deflects as per the specification given in the manual under thumb pressure. Install the vibration damper. If the vibration damper has a rotor for use with a crankshaft position sensor, align the rotor and sensor with the necessary special tool. Place the flywheel on the crankshaft flange. Install and tighten the flywheel bolts. These bolts must be torqued correctly. Install the turbocharger or supercharger if used. Connect the fuel pump. Refit the engine on vehicle. Refit radiator assembly. Connect silencer assembly with the engine. Connect air filter assembly. Connect all electrical and fuel hoses. Clean and return all the tools and clean the work area.
Now let's have a recap of what we have learned in this topic. We have learned to reassemble the engine. It involves refitting engine components and accessories with the engine. It involves the refitting of intake and exhaust manifolds, turbocharger refitting and alternator assembling. Install the engine on the vehicle and connect the electrical and fuel connections with the engine. Thus we have learned the reassembling of complete engine. Hope you have clarity on this. Do this exercise with the help of your instructor.